Another important thing in Foxtrot I wanted to show you is the expression builder. As many of you know, when you target things, we give you a nice, easy way to access convenient information. So let's say, for instance, I wanted to send the current date and time. As many of you know, you can click this wizard icon over on the right here and bring up our expression builder. So if you were to look at the list of views here, you'll notice there's several new ones. We've added application. This gives you all types of information about the running instance of Foxtrot. A lot of people say, hey, you know, I want to be able to generate a report log, but I need to know exactly what version of Foxtrot was running this, or what permission level did they have into Foxtrot, different things of that nature. The session ID is also available. This is that new session ID I pointed out in the Admin Center. So all the activity related to this instance of Foxtrot is now being tracked by session ID 8. We make that number available to you because if you needed to put this into another system in an automated fashion, it's at your fingertips here. You can also see when this session of Foxtrot started. So that's the first new category. Computer is another new category. A lot of these things used to be under Special. Special has been repurposed now, and I'll get to that in a moment. But anything to do with your computer is now listed here. Some new things are like monitor count, what version of Internet Explorer that you're running. These are all things that are pretty simple little things, but they're really handy if you need that information. Project is another category. We've pulled anything to do with your current Foxtrot project into this category. Just another easy way to locate what you're trying to get to. And then Special, we've added a varying number of random information generators. What that means is, let's say, for example, you know, I need to put in some test information into the system. I need to put in a 3-digit number. I just need to randomly generate a 3-digit number. Well, you can select this option here, a random number between 100 to 999. That will always give you a 3-digit random number. Another example is I need up to a 3-digit random number, which means it could be a 1, 2, or 3-digit number. In that case, you could pick this option here, between 0 and 999. And then the third scenario is if I wanted a 3-digit number, but I don't want to include 0, you get this option here, 1 to 999. So these also can be coupled together to generate larger random numbers. We also give you a GUID, which stands for Global Unique Identifier. It's just a real easy way to generate a unique number every single time. So that's one way that you can generate a unique number. And all this information is available anytime you have access to the expression builder. So an example might be in a set field. Again, anytime you see this button off to the right here, that gives you access to all that new information. So just make sure your life a little easier when you're scripting. You don't have to generate so many formulas or trying to figure out what website can I go to get yesterday's date. All that information is available for you in the expression builder.